Hi friends! Today I'm here at this lush green community which also happens to be a golf course community, and these are the beautiful buildings which I'll be showcasing today, which is right next to Radisson Damac Hills. Beautiful exteriors, I would say. Amazing location. Yes, it's Damac Hills Kiara Buildings. It comes with this spectacular golf course view. I'll show you the sample 2-bedroom apartment today, which happens to be living area first. It's a fully furnished apartment, by the way. So everything taken care of, curtains, couch, dining table and everything. You can see kitchen equipped, fully equipped I would say. Every minute things has been taken care of and in place. You can just bring your baggage and you can move into the apartment. Amazing quality, amazing finishing. So this is the powder room. So if I talk about Damac Hills is basically an 18-hole championship golf course. On top of it, it has got 4 million square feet park plus amenities. Amenities includes your wave pool, events park. One international school is there, by the way. Fitness center, supermarkets, Spinneys, Carrefour, stables, tennis courts, and of course skate park. Everything is there. Every building has got its gym and everything. Gym, pool. You can see the wardrobes are already built in. I'm not showing you the laundry room. I'm directly moving to the bedroom, second bedroom I would say. Very spacious apartment, big, and of course with a very good view, full golf view. Strategic location, Damac Hills, got entry from Al Qudra Road, Hessa Street as well. Very well maintained community. So as an investment perspective as well as an end user perspective, it's a very good opportunity. If you observe, both the rooms were en suite. On top of it, it has got a powder room. Very good finishing, very good quality. Everything is in place. Now let's head out to get the view of this apartment once more. You can see the safety child lock as well. Wow, spectacular view. I would say a picture perfect setting. It has got a lot of greeneries actually. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the regular updates. If you have any questions regarding the building, regarding the unit, regarding the community or regarding the location, you can reach out to me directly on the given number. Thanks for watching this video.